So he's busy thinking about his strategy. Okay, strategy. Yeah, like playing game, the strategy. What's pace?
Pace.
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 Pace. Okay, and then make no strategy. Okay.
Strategy.
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 Strategy. Strategy. Strategy. Strategy.
Strategy.
Strategy. G.
Strategy.
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 Strategy. Yeah. Strategy. Yeah. Strategy. Okay, actually, he has very good explanation. Careful. Okay. Yeah. Careful. Careful. Plan. Careful plan or method for achieving a goal. Okay. Usually over a long period of time. Okay. Yeah, that's
Strategy.
very good one. Why did you use this example?
Strategy.
Strategy. Okay, let's skip this one. Okay. This has proven to be an success strategy for our team and for our clients. Okay.
Strategy.
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 Strategy. Okay, can spell STRATEGY. Strategy. Okay, I think you can think it's a plan. Yeah. Plan. Okay, plan. It's a yeah. Okay. He is busy thinking about his strategy requirement. Empty the box. Find the edges. Good, find the edges. Soft the colors. Okay. Finally, Mrs. Macmina. Let's find out how to pronounce it. Okay.
Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focused on the word
Macmillan, which means a surname, British publishers, cancer support charity founder's name.
Let's say it all together.
Macmillan. Macmillan. Macmillan.
One more time.
Macmillan.
Macmillan. Okay, anyway, that's Macmillan. Okay. Finally, Mrs. Macmillan unlocks the doors. Puzzles.
Puzzles.
I think the people who solve the puzzles. Okay.
Puzzles and into the back room.
Okay. So there's a strategies for solving the puzzle. Okay.
She says we will get started shortly inside the room.
Okay. Danny
sees rows of sharp
topped. Okay. Is the put the things on the top of the table. Okay. Topped.
Top with beautiful unopened
Good.
jigsaw.
Yeah. You like it, right? Yeah. No. Why so slow? Oh, I don't know why. Yeah, what's that? Strategy.
Strategy. Strategy. Strategy. Strategy.
Okay.
A careful plan or
Method
for
achieving
a goal, usually cover over a long period of time.
okay strategy. Yeah, that jigsaw.
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 Okay, jigsaw.
Now.
Okay, you just need to know this kind is called jigsaw puzzle. Okay. Each box. No, not here. Okay. Danny see rows of tables topped with a beautiful unopened
Jigsaw puzzle boxes.
banner. Banner. Okay, it's kind of looks like a flag banner. Yeah, this kind of thing on the wall. It's like a sign. What's that?
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw. Jigsaw.
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw.
Okay, spell
Jigsaw. Jigsaw.
banner.
Banner. Banner. Banner. Banner.
Okay, this one's good.
A large ship.
Strap.
Strip.
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 Okay, strip.
A large strip of cloth with a
Design.
pictures or writing on it.
Okay, banner.
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 Okay. No, they try to sell it. Yeah, this kind of banner. You see, banner. Okay.
A banner hangs on the wall, a piece of the earth.
County
jigsaw puzzle
tournament. Tournament basically two-person playing. The loser wouldn't go into next step. With only the winner can go to next game. Tournament. Yeah, you see these two guys playing, only the winner goes to next stage. And these two guys play, and only the winner go to next stage. It's a tournament. Okay.
Banner. 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 Banner.
A large
Strip
strip of cloud with a
design.
picture or writing in it. Her banner was hanging over the
Street.
street,
Advertising.
touching the logo.
Theater. Production.
Banner. Banner. Banner.
Casper.
B-A-N-N-E-R, banner.
Okay. Oh, what's another?
Tournament.
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 Okay, Casper.
T-O-U-R-N-A-M-E-N. Tournament.
Okay.
A sport.
Sports.
A sport.
Competition.
A sports competition.
It can be any competition, okay.
Tournament.
Tournament.
Tournament. Tournament.
Tournament.
Okay, Casper.
T-O-U-R-N-A-M-E-N-T. Tournament.
Okay, it's a contest, tournament, competition.
Competition.
Okay. Tournament. Okay. The county jigsaw puzzle.
Tournament. Danny wonders.
Good. Wonders just walk around.
Wonders the rows, looking at the puzzle. Each box has a picture more beautiful than the last.
Toucan. I think it's a kind of bird. Toucans. Okay, I think that maybe the puzzle is a toucan. Yeah, this kind of bird. What's that?
Tournament. Tournament. Tournament.
Okay. Competition.
Competition.
Tournament.
Okay.
Toucan. Toucan. Toucan.
Okay. This kind of bird is a toucan. Okay. What it means, like a toucan jigsaw. Yeah. You see? It's a puzzle. You see? Small pieces. Toucan.
Crotchet and tropical trees, elephants,
Stamping. Stampede.
stumbling across a plain.
Good. Seascape.
sea,
Maybe we can do it